My name is Logan Stovall. I'm 6'4" and I go to Palmyra High School. I have a 3.3 grade point average and I plan on studying pre-med in college.
Logan Stovall is about 6'3.5", 6'4", one of the scrappy wing players. Can play around the basket. See him on the last couple clips getting some loose balls and finding teammates. There he is on a rebound put back. Good, strong kid, has some athleticism. Our clips, there he is finishing a layup on a putback. Our clips don't have him shooting the ball from outside, but he can do that and hit the threes. Had some big games for Palmyra High School. There he is showing his versatility in transition, his guard skills. There he is taking it the whole way to the basket. Here he is showing a little bit of that athleticism.